G'day, and welcome back to the 40 channel. So it's review time again. And look, you're thinking I've already done this. It's the BLUETTI EB3A. And you are right, I have done this. But BLUETTI have sent me a brand new unit that is about to be released into the Australian market. The AC2A BLUETTI. So here we are. We haven't even opened up the box yet. BLUETTI asked me to review on it. Now, I've given him a fair bit of feedback on the EB3A. It has been an incredible piece of equipment for such a small little unit. We have pushed it to its limits, but it hasn't had enough power or been the big enough unit to be able to be sufficient for what we've done while we've been touring. So, you would have thought that BLUETTI sent me a bigger unit to be able to accommodate that. No, they haven't. But what they have sent me is this solar charging, mains power charging lead. Oh, look at that. Now the EB3A was considered the baby BLUETTI, but do I dare say BLUETTI now have a new baby. Congratulations BLUETTI, here it is. It's a small little unit straight off the bat. Now you can see that this is a smaller unit. The cool thing straight away that I really like when I pulled it out of the box is the handle right here on the back. That's really cool. I really like that. It feels really sturdy. The BLUETTI handle, as you can see, you had to flick it up and carry it. There's a fair bit of weight difference, I'm telling you right now. Let's focus on the AC2A. Righto. Now it's a lighter unit. Like I said, it's a 300 watt unit. It's a smaller unit, but it has an uplift to 600 watts. What does that mean? It means that we can turn this on and we can jump up and power those heavier use items that need to be powered up. The problem straight away that I found in the box, the same as the EB3A, is that it doesn't have the car charger. The most use that you're going to get out of one of these things is when you're traveling, you want to be able to charge it as you're driving. Whether you're driving to your campsite, whether you're driving in between different locations, or whether you just set up and it's a night and you want to be able to plug it straight into the power supply of your car and charge it up. You can buy it, but it doesn't come with it. So I highly recommend looking at getting one of them. Now, we can sit here in the shed with the lights on, with the mic on, and go over a full review of the AC2A, but anybody can do that. So, what we're doing is we're gonna hit the trail with some other 40 series Land Cruisers, some guys I haven't met before, so I'm really excited about that. We're gonna hit the bridle track. The bridle track was renowned for being one of the best four-wheel drive tracks in the Western region area of New South Wales. And I think that will be a really good testing ground for the AC2A BLUETTI. I think this would be a great little unit for your small 1 or 2 day trips, but not for touring. But anyway, I think it'll be perfect for the bridle track. Let's chuck it in the back of the Troopy and we'll give it a run for its money, eh? Righto, so far the BLUETTI's held up pretty strong. It is a hot day, so the BLUETTI doesn't seem to be having any dramas with this heat, which is good. It's keeping my drinks cold, which makes it even better. Let's keep hitting the road. Righto, we survived our 100k trip from Bathurst to Hill End along the bridle track. Now we're heading back home. We're very close to home. We'll pull up here at this campsite here at Safala. What better spot to check out the AC2A, the mini Bluetti. Let's check it out. Righto, she's a bit dusty and it's been thrown around the back a little bit because the roads were so rough. But the Bluetti has held up really well. So we're at 73% of power. That's the fridge sucking it out on such a huge hot day like today. It's done really well. We've also had the GoPro charging off it and the phone with the continuous being charged off the car. So it's been a top little unit. So we've been running AC and DC all day while the car's been pumping in power. Every time we've stopped for a while, this has kicked in while the car's been off. What a ripper little unit the Bluetti is. So the AC2A so far has done a fantastic job. I wouldn't want to use it for an overnighter. I don't think it would last, but for these day trips, what an absolute awesome little unit. Righto, so let's have a quicker look at the Bluetti. So we've got 12 volt, 10 amp outlet here. We've got DC, we've got AC, USB-C, 100 watts, USB-A, and we've got our 240 volt outlet. So it's a fantastic little unit. Like I said, it's Bluetti's lightest unit they have on the market. I really like the ergonomics of this one. That handle has been really handy, easy to grab straight out of the back of the troopy to set it up for wherever we need it. So there you go. The Bluetti AC2A has done a sensational job on this day trip. It's handled really well. We've only got 20 k's back to home. We'll plug the fridge back into it. It's kept our drinks absolutely freezing cold. And I wouldn't have been able to make this video if I wasn't able to charge the GoPro. Anyway, let's chuck it back in the back, hit the road and get home.